The gear ratios are on point, and it's well executed.
12th grade student Ariel shows what a robot he designed, constructed, and operates can do. Robotics is just one of the many exciting subjects in this Mechatronics Academy classroom at the West Technical Education Center. Ariel's been in the academy 4 years and is learning a lot about future education and career options.
Mechatronics is not simply one engineering field. It opens so many opportunities for students if they want to do diesel mechanic, if they want to do electrical, if they want to just learn 3D printing. Mechatronics opens these doors for job opportunities and even, college opportunities.
And again, these are the skills you're going to learn here in this classroom, and it's being implemented out in the industry. We're being engaged in robotics, we have pneumatics, and we have all different types of equipment that go in the field of manufacturing and robotics.
Mechatronics combines the study of mechanics, engineering, computing, and electronics. The Academy is available to all School District of Palm Beach County students through the Glades Construction Academy Choice Program at West Tech.
When you participate in the Mechatronics program here at West Tech, you're getting training on small versions of large equipment that you would see in any manufacturing plant.
Students learn how to program autonomic robots and other machinery and earn advanced skills they can put right to work, often in internships and jobs with school district business partners.
When people think of Palm Beach, they think of the beaches, they think of tourism, but we are a major hub for manufacturing.
They provided me a job here in town, and the exact machines that are around me in this classroom were used at that workplace.
Ariel has earned college scholarships and is interested in a technological career and owning his own business.
It feels so inspiring knowing that we have so many doors to be opened and to go through. It has shaped my experience and has made me a well-rounded worker.